Chaata. Chaata is the Jamaican word of the week for the week of August 11th to August 17, 2024. In the Jamaican language, chaata is used as a verb with one meaning and a noun with three separate meanings. Verb meaning: to hire a vehicle and driver for exclusive transport. Example: mega chaata one taxi for bring me up. Noun meaning: 1. The provision of exclusive transportation by a vehicle. Example: a chaata alone we do cause you make more money. Noun meaning: 2. A vehicle hired to provide exclusive transportation service. Example: I want chaata me take come to work this morning. Noun meaning: 3. A formal document outlining rights, privileges, or principles. Example: every Jamaican fin know the chaata rights. If you would like to receive the word of the week, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post a new word.